Well, inflation has put pressure on many families as they head into the summer months, and they're trying to give their children activities to keep them learning and growing and having fun. And joining us now is James Zahn, senior editor at the Toy Insider, and he's brought some of you sent us some of your toys so that we can look at them here in the KTVU studio. Thank you so much for joining us.
Good morning. Great to be here. And yeah, we're in an interesting year where consumers are very budget conscious, but there's a lot of great toys that are on the shelves now that aren't going to break the bank, and they're going to keep the kids nice and busy.
So I noticed that you had some other things here, a big kind of, I don't know what is
emoji.
this exactly?
It's an emoji.
It's a 3D emoji.
So check this out. This is from Purple Ladybug. They have these cool 3D kits, and emojis are super cool. So we've got the Prismatic Cool, which you have built in front of you, and then if you want to get a little bit funnier, we've got the Prismatic Poo too, and these are officially licensed. Each build is going to take about 2 hours. They light up with a USB powered light system in there, but really cool. Again, this is a hands-on craft, so you're going to get some learning. You're going to get something. It's very therapeutic for a lot of people. You know, they like to build things. So this is for the older kids in the house. I'm going to say about ages 12 and up, but the fun doesn't stop there.
I love how, yes, and sorry to jump in, but I just love too how it's very hands-on. I'm going to pick this up because it's so fun. It's very hands-on, and it's something that, you know, they can actually see the progress.